Hi everyone, welcome to Booming Bigs TV. Thanks for joining us today. Today, I'm gonna unbox our first drone, the Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. So through research, we found that 2 batteries comes with the combo pack. It's a little more expensive, but it's worth it. So we're gonna sit down today and we're gonna watch as many videos as possible, and we're gonna fly this drone, and we're gonna take you guys along for the journey. Voila!
So as you can see, this combo pack also comes with a really cool carrying case. So this is everything that comes in the box for the Fly More combo. The instruction manual. These are the blades. This is your remote control, which holds your phone, and it actually pulls out much further than this, so it holds many different sizes of phones. Here is the drone itself and the charging cord and 2 batteries, which makes it really nice because obviously you can have one in the drone and one backup. So Biggs is going to figure out how to put this thing together and go from there.
Well, so far, this is how far I've got. I'm trying to connect to the drone. I can hear it doing something, but I'm not quite sure what it's doing. But I think it's connecting. It say connecting right here.
Look how cool it looks. Look at those lights. So we're just going out here in this park to find an open space to take the first flight with this new drone.
No, no,